Welcome to Malabar College of Engineering and Technology online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the industrial engineering module 5 production planning and control. Okay. As we all already know that what is industrial engineering and what are the various duties of an industrial engineer. Based on that, today we need to discuss about the production planning and the control. Actually, we already discussed about what is planning and what is control in the beginning itself, but we need to discuss in detail about what is production planning and control. Already that is known as PPC. Okay. Actually, production means in order to produce a product with the help of men, materials and machineries with the effective utilization, and finally we will get the product with the stipulated quality, etc. Okay. Production planning and control is a tool which coordinates all the manufacturing activities in the industry or industrial or a plant. Okay. Various definitions are there related to production planning and control. Actually, it is defined as the coordination and directing the movement of goods to all of the production cycle from right from the raw materials to the final product, so that to accomplish the objectives of maximum production, minimum inventory, and customer satisfaction or customer service, etc. Okay. And according to Franklin C. Murray, he was saying that what is production planning and control? He has compared with the human nervous system and production planning and control. What is the function of human nervous system in our body? Actually, nervous system is controlling the muscular activities of our body. In the similar way, production planning and control is also controlling the coordinating the activities of an industry. Okay. Then the next one is the objectives of PPC. What are the objectives of PPC? Actually, PPC means the main objective is to the effective utilization of the resources. Effective utilization of the resources in the sense, we know that the resources like materials, men and machineries should be effectively utilized. In order then we can reduce the cost of the entire cost of the production. The second point is reduce the production cycle time or production time. Actually, while implementing this production planning and control means we can reduce the production cycle time. We can reduce the production cycle time in the sense which we can finish the product at the earliest and it should be supplied to the market, because the customers are waiting for the product, and we can reduce the waiting period of the product. Okay. Then the third one is reduce the wastage of material. Actually, as we all know that the wastage of material in the sense of scrap materials, etc. Because inefficient worker means he has to waste so much of material. So while putting the worker in the sense he has a very good experience in the field of machining and all, then he can reduce after implementing this production planning and control means we can reduce the wastage of material. Then the next objective is the coordinating the activities of all departments. An industry is having so many departments. Production department is there, planning department is there, then the energy controlling department, etc. So many departments are there, and this PPC is controlling all the activities of the entire each and every departments. Then the next point is to evaluate the workers, how the workers are performing the works. Okay, that is another objective of this PPC, because worker how to evaluate means in the previous module, as we already discussed about what is merit rating. Merit rating means how to rating and how to rate the worker, because whether he is good in the working or good in the machining process or not, we can easily evaluate, compare with the some standard measures are there. If he is very slow means the production time will be increased. If he is good in the terms means we can reduce the cycle time. Okay. Then the next one is to entire controlling the cost and the reduction of cost. That is also coming under the PPC. So these are the various objectives of production planning and control. Okay, this production planning and control means actually these are the two terms coming together. One is production planning and the another one is production control. Production planning. Actually, what is the meaning of production planning? Because that is before starting the production itself, we need to plan the entire thing or entire activities which should be performed in the industry. Okay, that is related to so many factors which control related to the quality, then quantity, then the materials, etc. All the things which comes under the production planning. Okay, actually once the planning completed means then only it go for the production. Okay, and production means production planning means there are three types of production plans. One is the long-term plan. Long-term plan means it should be a minimum a year or more than that. Okay, accordingly we are planning. The second one is intermediate planning. Intermediate planning means a minimum a month or throughout an year that plan will be executed. And the third one is the short-term plan. Short-term plan means that is for a day or throughout the month. Okay, that is a short-term plan. Okay, and the importance of this production planning means it is helping the entire activities of the industry in the sense because before starting itself we can decide what should be performed in the industry in the sense how the work will be, when the work should be started, where the work should be started, how the work should be started. We can decide all the things, all the parameters coming under production planning only. Okay, once the planning process completed means then the second process will start, production control. Production control means actually based on the planning only we are executing the operations in the industry. Once the production process starts means the production control means it is monitoring the activities in the manufacturing sections or the production sections, whether it is deviating from the pre-planned production system or with the comparing with the actual production. If any deviation means then the corrective measures should be taken from the production control system. That means they are controlling each and every activities under the production department. Okay, that is the importance of production control. And this production planning and control means that is very important in an industry. And now we are going to discuss about what is a production system. There are mainly three different types of production system. One is mass production. Second one is batch production. Third one is job shop production. Okay, what is mass production? Mass production is the requirement is very large because the number of products means or the large volume is required means then we go for mass production because in batch production and job production means the number of quantities produced is less. Okay, that's why we go for mass production. Actually, this mass production concept was introduced in the year 1930. Everyone heard about Henry Ford, was the founder of Ford automobile company, and he was introduced the mass production and the assembly line concept. Assembly line concept. Actually, assembly line in the sense means because the arrangement of the workstations in a sequence and each workstation is performing particular work on the product and they are completing that product in a sequential manner. Say for example, This is the raw material, and this is the final assembly. Here the raw material entering into this system means, into the production system means, initially workstation 1 is there, 2 is there, then number of workstations are there up to Wn, that is the n number of workstations are there. Finally the production process will be completed and final assembly is finished, and it should be entered into the dispatch or the inventory. Okay, then we can easily understand that this process from how the product part will be moved from one workstation to the second workstation, because each workstation having its own function. That means one particular work will be performed on the product. Okay, actually in the automobile industry, automobile production, say for example car production means mass production is actually used and the assembly line will be there. Then each and every workers are sitting in a particular workstation and they are doing their work. Particular work means the previous worker, once he completed his work and then put in the bin, or if they are using some conveyors or material handling equipments means, then kept it on that, then it will be coming to the next worker on the other workstation. Once he finished his work means that will be moved to the other workstation. Okay, this is the way of mass production performing in an assembly line. Okay, this mass production means, the merit of this mass production means the effective utilization of the materials, because the continuous process, there is no stoppage of the work. It is continuously moving from one workstation to the final workstation. That means reducing the cycle time. Within the minimum time it can be finished, and the next point is it should be reduce the cost. Production cost will be reduced. But the demerit is means initial investment or initial capital means that is very high, because particular machine should be, specialized machine should be arranged in a product layout or a process layout. We have to arrange some particular, because a particular product only manufacturing in the mass production, because large number of products are continuously producing in the mass production system. Okay. Then the next batch production and the job production will be discussed in the next classes. Thank you.